Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for checking in. So today I want to talk to you about the Overland Cargo Kit from Tusk for the Polaris XP 1000 two-seat models. If you have this vehicle and you're looking to overland it and you want to go on multiple day rides deep into the backcountry and you're just looking for as much cargo capacity as possible so you can easily take all the gear with you that you're going to need, this kit is ideal for you. All the parts and accessories that we're going to show you today are made by Tusk. All very high quality. We have install videos for the entire kit. But one of the best parts about this is this is just a one-stop shop. And when you buy this kit, you don't have to worry about what items are going to work together and what don't, because everything is built to work in unison. So I just want to walk you through and show you everything that comes included with this kit when you pick it up. So first and foremost, we'll start out here in the back. So this is the Tusk rear bumper, spare tire carrier, and cargo rack. And with this, you get the 3-for-1 special. You've got the rear bumper. You obviously need a spare tire when you go deep in the backcountry and multiple day rides. And it has the cargo rack up here on top, which you can see is a great platform to take some of your gear with you. So that cargo rack's just the perfect spot for, say, your dry bag, some of your camping gear, things like that. Ton of cutouts, easy to tie your gear down. And then you also have the Rider Cargo bed-mounted cooler rack. The best part about this cooler rack is that it does not require any modification to the bed to get it installed. Very simple. But with this, it gives you a perfect tie-down point for the Yeti 35-quart Tundra cooler. Obviously, multiple day rides, you can be taking drinks, food with you. You're gonna need a cooler. The best part about this setup is that it will come with a ratchet strap to tie it down, and it allows you to still open the lid to get access to the inside without having to remove it from the rack. And then you move to the bed-mounted and the cage-mounted aluminum quick-release cargo boxes. You're gonna get 3 of these with this kit. You have 2 on the sides, and these are both gonna be medium size that go right to the roll cage, and then the large box that's mounted to the bed. These are the perfect spot. These side boxes we love to use for items that you need quick, easy access to. And one of the cool features about these is that, one, they have a locking latch so you can lock up your items, but the quick release mechanism. If you get to a location and you have things inside this box that you just want to take with you, you can, in just a matter of seconds, pull on that pin, the box comes off, just as easy to put right back on. Now, what we will typically do is the center box, we'll put items in there like tools, maybe a spare belt, things like that, that we know are going to stay with the UTV and are just there when you know, on occasion you might need those items. And then the side boxes, things that we're going to be using a little bit more frequently. Now, moving up to the top. So with this Overland kit, it's gonna come with the Force aluminum roof from Tusk and the Adventure cargo rack. And with that cargo rack, it converts your entire roof space into cargo capacity. So your tents, your chairs, sleeping bags, anything like that, just like with this cargo rack in the back, you can put all your gear up on top completely out of the way. It encompasses all 4 sides, tons of tie-down attachments, so it's very easy to store gear up there. I think they look awesome when they're all mounted up, and what I like too is that they're cross members on there, so when you put your gear on top, it's not actually sitting on top of the roof. And that's it. That's the Overland Cargo Kit. Again, if you're going multiple day rides deep in the backcountry and you just want to outfit your UTV to maximize cargo capacity on the exterior, this really is the best way to do it. We've used this setup on multiple day rides and we absolutely love it. But if you want to maximize the interior, we also have the Explorer Cargo Kit, and that's going to have all the best interior cargo accessories from Tusk, and that way you get a ton of storage space on the inside as well. We have a video on that. Again, we have how-to videos to install everything I just talked about, even the items on the inside. So if you have questions or comments though about this, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. Now keep in mind, if you already have a couple of the accessories that we just talked about, you don't have to buy everything all at once. You can buy everything I just mentioned all individually as well. But if you're starting from scratch with one click of a button, you can get everything that I just talked about. We ship for free over 75 bucks. Again, some comments, questions down below. To grab this for your UTV, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel for more content like this. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.